Hey everyone, it's Andrew. Welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be doing a video doing an unboxing, review, and first time try on of the Old Navy Knit Tech mixed material full zip hoodie, which is this hoodie right here. This is a product that's really tailored as a activewear line product that you can wear either in the spring or fall when you need something to layer on top of either a short sleeve or a long sleeve when you're kind of walking about or working out. I recently purchased this because I routinely run in the fall and spring weather, and when it's still kind of chilly out, I do need something that I can throw on but isn't too hot as far as making you sweat. And so this is going to be a nice material that's a little bit thinner, where it's just an additional layer that kind of keeps you warm but doesn't make you too hot. And so what we'll do in this video is we'll just take this out of the packaging, we'll discuss the different color options, and then I'll throw it on so you get a general sense of what it looks like. As always, I'll leave links in the description below if you're interested in purchasing this. Okay, so this is going to be Old Navy's Knit Tech mixed material full zip hoodie. Currently you can get this on Old Navy's website for $55. This is going to be their kind of greenish color, which is called Ionian Sea. It's hard to say for some reason for me. Otherwise there's multiple color options. They have a black one that's called Blackjack. They have a navy one that's called In the Navy. They have a charcoal one that's called Panther. They have a coralish red one that's going to be Amelia Rose. Then they have this color, and then they have a sure thing, which is actually like a whitish color. All of them are basically the same price. Real quick, we'll take this out of the packaging so you can see what it looks like and the general sense of kind of the overall construction. But it's going to be this nice mixed material kind of hoodie that's going to be a full zip hoodie. In the chest area here, it's more of like a kind of a rain jacket kind of material. It's not completely waterproof, but it's a little bit more robust there, where it's more of a synthetic material. And then on the side here, it's more of like your polyester material that's like a dry knit feel. So the benefit of this is that it's going to be a long sleeve hoodie that you can really throw on when you're doing something active like running or working out outside in the cooler weather. But the fact that it's like this more of a dry knit, softer material on the sleeves and the chest, or like the waist area, means that even if you get hot, it kind of wicks away the material or the sweat and the heat, so you can still wear this where you don't get overheated. So it's a nice in between for spring fall weather when the seasons are changing and that sort of thing. Additionally, the hood is nice too, because if it's too chilly, you can just throw that on and wear it that way. As far as the knit material, it's a really nice material as far as the feel and look of it. It's got like this this mixed kind of greenish, kind of whitish color. The main area is more of a solid color. It does have a chest pocket here where you can zip, and so if you have your keys or something that you want to throw, your phone or something, you can throw it there. Additionally, on the sides here, there's pockets that are not zip, but there's pockets there on either side, so if you get warm, you can throw your you get cold, you can throw your hands in between the pockets. And then the cuffs here do have a little bit of an elasticity to it, so it does kind of keep it snug there. As far as the zipping it down, the zipper works really well. And then on the inside here, there's nothing really added to it. There's no additional liner or anything. Really, it's just the pocket areas where they have that. But it's a nice soft material on the inside, and this is consistent with the outside of it. And then very similar to the hood, has the same material. There's no drawstring on the hood, so really it's just a hood that you can throw on and off. So that's the front of it, and then we'll just look at the back real quick, and then I'll throw it on to give you a sense of what it looks like actually on like a body. But this is what the back looks like. So this kind of hood material and chest area extends here, but that's the rest of it's this kind of dry fit material. Okay, so now we're gonna throw this on to give you a sense of what it looks like. I do wear a large. I actually purchased this first in a medium, and it was just too snug, but the large was a good fit. I'm like 5'10", about 180 pounds or so, but this is what it looks like on my actual body. The zipper kind of zips up all the way as far as zipping up, and the sleeves really do sit really well on my kind of wrist area, so that's what a large looks like. on my body frame. But when I had the medium, the sleeves were a little bit too short, and then what I found was it was pulling too, like across the waist and chest area. So when I went across like this, it stretched too much. There is a little bit of stretch there, but with the material being that like dry knit, like more synthetic material, it does stretch pretty easily, and this does feel comfortable. An extra large would definitely be too big, so the large is a good fit. As far as the hood, this is what the hood looks like on and off. Okay, and it does zip up all the way, so you can really kind of get warm or comfortable if it's raining or something like that. So this is a good overall light, like extra layer for spring and fall time period, for if you're out and about or if you're working out. Definitely check it out. Old Navy does have these cheap, affordable options, and a lot of times you can get these on sale for a lower price with what promotions they have. But this is going to be their Ionian Sea. I can't really say that, but they're greenish color. But all of them are very similar construction. So thanks for watching. If you have questions, post them below.